What's up guys, and welcome back to GTech 254. So Pace Africa launched their second product called the Pacemate, which is a set of Bluetooth earphones about a month or so ago. That's just 3 months after they launched their first product, which was a pair of Bluetooth headphones called the Pace Focus. I had a chance to test out the Pace Focus headphones for a few minutes and I really liked the sound and comfort, though they felt quite plasticky for the price they were going at. I got to play with the Pacemate Bluetooth earphones for a few days, and keeping in mind that they cost just around 3,800 Kenya shillings, I had to find out if they were worth it. The earphones come in a very attractive packaging with a pleasant unboxing experience. Inside the retail box, there's a card with a welcome message, which is a good personal touch in my opinion. The same card also doubles up as an instruction or startup manual for first-time users of the earphones, as well as containing their website address. There is also another small card that contains info for first-time startup of the earphones. Definitely a nice touch. The next thing in the box is a small micro USB cable for charging the earphones, as well as a branded soft cloth carrying pouch. The pouch should do an okay job for keeping the earphones free from dirt and scratches even when carrying around. Another thing included in the box is 2 pairs of ear tips in different sizes. They are made of rubber and will definitely cater for the different people's needs. There's also a pair of rubber wingtips in different sizes as well. These wingtips do a very good job of keeping the earphones in your ears even when doing vigorous activities such as jogging. The earphones are mainly a plastic build with the sound drivers enclosed in a metallic silver construction, which would make them quite durable. They also have a magnet that you can use to attach the 2 earbuds together when not in use to prevent them from flying around on your chest when walking. Design-wise, the earphones are meant to sit on your neck and shoulders. The neckband is kinda flat and very flexible. It's also quite sturdy in construction. You can fold it up and it will retain its shape. The cable connecting the neckband and the earphones is also flat and tangle-free. The left side of the neckband has 3 inline media controls, which are the volume up and next track, play or pause, as well as a volume down and previous track. The play or pause button also doubles up as a power button. The buttons feel very nice and tactile when pressed. Just below the volume down button is a small multicolored LED light that shows power and Bluetooth pairing status. This left side also houses a micro USB port for charging the device. On my tests, the charging time was about 2 hours. The earphones are rated for 11 hours of continuous music playback, and I found this to be quite accurate. Frequent and extended users will probably have to charge the earphones daily. Since the playback and volume controls are coupled to a single button each, a short press increases or decreases the volume and a long press skips to the previous or next track. The power button also works in a similar fashion, whereby a single press plays or pauses the music and a long press switches the device on or off. It's also used to accept or cancel calls. I found the call quality to be similar to basic earbuds. The calls are clear, but background noise is easily picked up. Now jumping to sound quality, the default sound out of the box is very rich. The earphones also provide excellent passive noise isolation. Voices are clear and not muffled. The bass and treble are very well balanced and did not overpower the voice. That doesn't mean that the low end is not powerful at all. The bass response was very satisfactory, especially in hip-hop and EDM. Music with heavy instrument presence such as jazz, rumba and soukous benefit greatly from the excellent stereo effect and a bit of a wide soundstage. The instrument separation was very good. These are probably the best sounding earphones I have tested here on the channel. You can also use your device's equalizer to fine-tune the sound to your liking depending on the music you're listening to. One thing I noticed is that the default sound was different on the different devices I paired with. Some devices, especially my computer and laptop, sounded a bit better. The earphones were comfortable for me in long periods of casual use, either sitting around or walking. Since there is no indication of them being either splash or water resistant, I would be cautious using them in extreme conditions such as heavy workouts or outdoors if it's raining. Another thing is that since the cables are a bit loose on the neck, running and other extreme movements mean that the wires bounce a lot on the neck, which is quite distracting. Lastly, I also tested the Bluetooth range and found it was around 10 meters before the audio started to cut out. This was okay for walking around with the earphones in a medium-sized room. Signal quality, however, suffered when testing through walls. So if you value lightness, comfort and sound quality of these earphones and don't mind the over-the-neck wearing style, the lack of water resistance and the distracting cable movements when running or jogging, I would definitely recommend these. Thank you so much for checking out this review, guys, and I hope it helped you in a way. Be sure to leave a comment down with your thoughts or suggestions and check out my social media with the links in the description. A like and a subscription will definitely be appreciated. Have a great time and I'll see you in the next video.